Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can take pictures with hand gestures on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, first of all, we can open our camera on our Samsung Galaxy phone, and after that we have to go to the camera setting, click on the setting icon, and here we have to activate our show palm features if we want to take a picture with hand gesture. So you can go to the shooting methods, and here you can activate your show palm feature. Okay, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you how this feature works. So I'm going to take a selfie with my camera, and if we want to take selfie, we just need to show our palm. We don't need to press the button. Wait. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to show you the result. So this is the result. This is the picture that I have just taken with my hand gesture. Alright guys, and that's how we can take a picture with hand gestures on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.